Imagine giving a click and receiving thousands of coins, which we will be able to exchange for money. Hello and welcome a new video. This time it brings some new pages with which we will be able to earn money easily and in a super simple way. The truth is that they are super easy methods that you can start implementing without experience at any age and from anywhere in the world. Yes, they are not methods that are for the millionaire, but some that are going to be giving you very good income in a super simple way. Really not that previous experience does not require a minimum age or be from any part of the world. So if you want to see the step-by-step of how to do it, and you do start generating good profits, watch the full video so you don't miss a single detail, and you can too. Earn money online in a super simple way, so you can see the new good method. It is the first page that I demonstrate using. We will be talking about 3 each one, turning off more than the previous one, and in fact I am going to show you a live withdrawal so that you can see that the pages are being paid, but I will leave that for the end only for the people who they are really interested in making money. And well, as you can see, here is the tool, or rather the faucet page seen here. For example, there is a lottery where you will be able to win some rewards. In fact, the team is to win in various ways. For example, with the faucet, with the short link, with the pay or click, the lotteries that we do not recommend playing games of chance or investing not a single dollar, reaching achievements. The offers the faucet card, that is Deus, or says, I don't know how the translation would be. It has a level system in addition to which you can upload ranking. Now the registration is quite easy for this. We are only going to click here on registration. And we are going to register with an email account, username, password, confirm password, and solve the captcha now. Yes, once registered, simply touch login. Let's give it to whoever is next to how many, that there are so many captchas, and that's it. Now once inside, a window like this will appear as here, how many tokens we have available, our balance that we have deposited. That, as I told you, I do not recommend that you invest even a bit, only dollar. Now here in archivements, they will see, for example, all their achievements which they can claim, and they will be getting a lot of publicity. That is why I put this one in first place, or rather in third place, since it is one of the most annoyed by all the intrusive advertising that can come out. But well, as you can see, here are, for example, all the prizes that you can win. He says that it will be like rolling or throwing those dice. And as I said, I do not recommend that you spend a single dollar. On this page, the faucet car here becomes interesting because they will be able to win automatically, but for this they must get energy. We have the faucet manual where we can collect energy. Well, here, how many answer here? The old one, that would be 9. And here, 8, let's see, it comes out. Another, I think not. Let's see, collect shoe guard, and we were wrong. Let's see, it goes again. 38 and 1, there it is. We are going to receive our reward. And ready, as you can see, we have just added some tokens. The truth is that it is quite simple, but like that, they love advertising. Look at 4 ads, 3 ads. I tell you, it's a way to earn money, but the truth is that so much advertising comes out is why I put it first. Here, let's see here, for example, let's see this, where the minimum withdrawal is out of 115. Now we also have the offers where you can win, for example, by completing an offer, and the tasks where you could also win by completing a task. Here in pay to click is the part that I like because we can earn tokens in a super practical way. Just look at him. We click here on go and a captcha will begin to load us. Now we only have to wait here a few seconds, in fact approximately 20 seconds. Well, we only have to wait a few more seconds, and now after a few seconds, as you can see, there are only 10 left. 8. The truth is that it is quite easy. Yes, make sure to move a little on the screen, because if the counter does not pause, we will solve the captcha here. Crosswalks, verify, we verify, and that's it. We already received our reward. I tell you, this page works really well. Simple now to be able to withdraw, because they simply have to go to their profile, and there they will hit withdrew. And as you see here, for example, what currency could they change that to if they can become millionaires overnight? But well, if they get a few tokens daily, I tell you, this bet you could even skip it, since it is not one of the best, but it is an option with which to get extra. Now the next one is one that I like the most. It is about crypto win. In fact, it is the one that I like the most. Money is paid. They will be able to receive rewards in Bitcoin. They will earn by clicking, so they cannot earn interest. It has a referral system. They can win by offers, surveys. They can multiply their coins, although remember, we will never recommend that it was in games of chance. Come on, to be able to use the rolls. and we will be able to obtain 50% of what the referrals earn. In addition to us, where they are supporting, as you can see, they have paid more than 18 Bitcoins, which seems little, but believe me, they have given a lot of money, more than 58,000 clicks, and there are more than 379,000 registered users now. To start, we just give you here on Go to Dashboard, you can register in case you don't have an account, and we'll wait for it to load. As you see, here is our balance in Bitcoin, our coins, and others. Now to start earning, you can click here words, for example, to see the option. Also live to see the different ads for this. Just click here on open up and you will see a commercial of maximum 60 seconds. We click and wait for it to load. In fact, in the upper part, the counter will appear for how many seconds are left in the Zip of the African Crosses page. Yes, we have already used this on other occasions to be able to earn money online. The truth is that it is earned quite simple, but this is not the idea in this video. Here, we are only seeing this announcement. And you can browse the page and you can see the options. Sometimes you will get pretty good options like this where you can register and generate some coins extra. But as I told you, it is only a matter of waiting a few more seconds, approximately after about 40 seconds, and you will receive your reward. In fact, you can repeat this method day after day. Although look, I feel quite tempted by this one, but well, there are only a few more seconds more. And ready, we will be able to withdraw without any problem. 321, there it is ready. We already received our reward. Now you can click on the others. As you can see, not all of them last 60 seconds. There are some that last much less, and well, this would be my next favorite page to be Try Faucet Crypto. Here, as you can see, I have 14,000 coins. The truth is that winning is quite easy. That is why it is one of my favorites. For this, we click here on Facebook, click, and here we select, for example, to see an ad. It takes 40 seconds to be able to get our reward. And to be able to withdraw, they just give it here at with Crow. Yes, sometimes they will be charged by external advertising. But hey, it is just a matter of turning back, and that's it. As you can see, we could withdraw Bitcoin if we wanted to. Gas Coin, I said Byte, Dogecoin, and Facebook Classic. And so we have other more aids that will be under maintenance. But we have, for example, those that are already full Bitcoin Touch. And look, we have all these options. And in my case, I will see if I can withdraw the Bitcoin. Okay, we will give it direct in White House. And thank you. Okay, how much can we withdraw? Let's see if we can withdraw all of them. In fact, I did not receive a message. It should have appeared here, but as you can see, we are already at 0. Okay, we give it here on the dashboard, and as you can see, well, they are our retirement. Now to King History. Well, you are going to see that my withdrawal has just been completed. Here it is. Look at today's date. And as you can see, it has just been done a bit with my portfolio and everything else like, and I have made several withdrawals and increasing, and well, as you can see, we have already gone up from level now, because it is simply a matter of you starting to earn with all these methods. See you in a next video.